Students, and another true fruits are aggregate fruits. So aggregate fruits nothing but the fruit is developed from apocarpus ovary. It is very important. In the simple fruits like fleshy fruits and dry fruits, all fruits are developed from syncarpus ovaries. But aggregate fruit developed from apocarpus ovary. So what is meaning of apocarpus ovary? You know already, apocarpus ovary, nothing but the carpels are free. Carpels free. Syncarpus nothing but the carpels are united with everyone. So in apocarpus, all fruits are developed from syncarpus, but aggregate fruits developed from apocarpus ovary. Every carpel to develop into small fruitlet. Small fruitlet. Students, the fruit is developed from apocarpus ovary. Apocarpus nothing but carpels are free. Every carpel to develop into small fruitlet. Small fruitlet. A bunch of fruitlet is called aggregate fruits. And nothing but all, for example, in a custard apple, this is the fruitlet. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So everyone is fruitlet. So all fruitlets are aggregated, common axis. So this is a custard apple, or bunch of fruitlet. This is the bunch. This is the peduncle. All fruitlets aggregated, all fruitlets are aggregated on the common axis is called aggregate fruits. So very important, the fruit is developed from apocarpus, it is very important, and in which every carpel developed into fruitlet, that is also very important. A bunch of fruitlet aggregated on the common axis, so it is called aggregate fruits. For example, Itario nothing but fruitlet. Itario of follicles, example Michaelia, and Itario of Achilles, rose and lotus, and Itario of berry, custard apples. Itario nothing but bunch of fruitlet is called Itario. The Itario of follicles, Michaelia, and Itario of Achilles, rose and lotus, and Itario of berry, custard apples. Student, the fruit is developed from apocarpus ovary. It is a very important point. A bunch of fruitlets are aggregated on the common axis. The Itario nothing but fruitlets. Bunch of fruitlet is called Itarios. So example, Michaelia, rose, lotus, custard apples. Best examples are aggregate fruits. And also Itario of rubus is also best example, students. The last one is composite fruits. Generally, one flower, one fruit, students. So it is the phenomenon of the fruit. One flower developed into one fruit. But in composite fruit, total inflorescence. How many fruits are? How many flowers are present in inflorescence? Many flowers. Many flowers are arranged on peduncle. Now it is called inflorescence. The total inflorescence to develop into only one fruit. And nothing but the composite fruit. Many flowers, one fruit. But all flowers in one flower, one fruit. But in composite fruit, many flowers, one fruit. And the total inflorescence to develop into composite fruit. It is also multiple fruits. So it is two types, sorosis and cyconus. If the fruit is developed from catkin inflorescence and spike inflorescence and spadix inflorescence, the fruit is called sorosis. If the fruit is developed from catkin inflorescence, spike inflorescence, spadix inflorescence, such fruits are called sorosis. If the fruit is developed from hypothorium, such fruits are called cyconus. So best example, ficus, is the ficus example of hypothodium, and Spinospadics collocation. The spike is rice and wheat, spadix is collocation, Casuarina, cortical. Are you clear, sir? So all fruits are very important, and examples and nature of the pericarp and nature of the seeded or non-seeded, and positions and family names, all are important for NEET and MCET examination. Common points are important. So for example, what is the common point in between the dry, intelligence and schizocarpic fruit? One seeded, one seeded. What is the common point in between the epicarp of berry, and epicarp of aspergillus? So no common point in between the aspergillus and berry, because in aspergillus epicarp is oil glands, but in berry epicarp is leather is smooth. So variations and common point is very. In which seed, in which fruit, endocarp is and smooth and seeded? Pepper. In which fruit, the true fruit is cartilaginous tissue? Pepper. Sorry, pome, apple. In which fruit, the thalamus is developed into fruit? Apple. In which fruit, the fruit is developed from apocarpus ovary? Aggregate fruits, anona and lotus, rose. Itla coaching chesukovali, prati dani coaching chesukovali. In which fruits are developed from total inflorescence composite fruits? In which fruit the mesocarp is fleshy and edible? So best example mango and also pepper. So many examples are there. So all common points, all variations and examples and family names. So every important students. So clarity ga chadavandi, anni vidividiga raasukunte notes clarityness vastadi, confusedness undadu, exam lo best score cheyachukochu. So deentoti the morphology of flowering plant unit is completed. So in which lessons, according to previous paper in NEET syllabus, there are 4 to 5 questions are adige chances untayi. 4 to 5 questions in NEET and also MCET also 5 questions. So 2 or 3 questions, sorry, in NEET 2 or 3 questions in NEET, but in MCET, in NEET 4 to 5 questions are compulsory adige chances untayi. Morphology of flowering plant nunchi 4 to 5 questions NEET లో వస్తే MCET లో 2 or 3 questions వచ్చే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి రూట్ నుంచి అప్ టు ఫ్రూట్ వరకు ఒక నోట్స్ లాగా అన్ని రాసుకుంటే మీకు ఈజీగా స్కోర్ అయ్యే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంది. వి విల్ డిస్కస్ అనదర్ టాపిక్ అండ్ అనదర్ యూనిట్ రిప్రొడక్షన్ ఇన్ ఫ్లవరింగ్ ప్లాంట్. ఓకే.